Hello everyone and welcome to the another video of Nifty Bank Nifty levels for the next trading session, that is 17th of December. So let's analyze the two of the indices. The first is Bank Nifty, and we have seen a good gap up opening above this resistance line which we have marked yesterday's trading session high. But it could not able to sustain above this level and fell and again retesting the same level. So we have seen 1, 2, and 3 thrice the price rejection at 30,800 level in Bank Nifty, which is a very crucial resistance. So we can say still it is still intact, and this is just a trap. Majority of the intraday traders have been bought here because of this breakout with gap, but eventually they made a loss in because of this fall. So this is a good trap, kind of trap, and if Bank Nifty can able to sustain above this high 30,930 or 50, then this could be not a trap, but till the now it is a trap. So expecting a price to fall around this level 30,350. So let's mark the important levels first, starting with the today's trading session high and low. So this is the low 30,587, and let me mark the high is 30,932. These are the two levels which you can be watch for next trading session because of high and low of today's trading session. And let me mark the important area of support now. So we have seen here is a swing support. Again, this is a swing support. Here is also a swing support. And let me take the retracement of small here. So around 261% comes near to this retracement. So I would like to mark this is as an important area of support. 30,300 level could be an important area of support for tomorrow's trading session, and tomorrow is also weekly expiries of Nifty Bank Nifty. And let me check the high, the resistance part. So important resistance comes here 161% near to this zone, and 261 at 31,100. So let me mark the level 31,080, not 100. 31,080 is the important area of resistance. So these are the two levels you need to watch. So let me write it down for you. So 31,800, and the important support is 30,300. So these are the two levels you need to take care for the next trading session. So now let's check the Nifty index, and let me delete this whole thing. And starting with today's trading session high and low. So this is the low of today's trading session, and this is the high 13,692, 13,606. Okay, these are the two levels which we have marked. And now let me check the important area of support. So just take one retracement, and 61% comes at 30,540. So let's mark the same level. 13,540 is the area of support, and let me check the resistance part. So let's check this swing here. So 161% comes near 13,700 level. So let me mark the 13,700 is the level for resistance. So let me write it down here. 13,700. Support is 13,540. So these are the two levels you need to be careful for the tomorrow's trading session. Tomorrow is a weekly expiry as well. Okay. So now let's discuss the few trading ideas for tomorrow's trading session. So first one is Reliance Industries. This could be an important setup because we have seen good sideways to downward momentum on a smaller time frame, but there is a good positive divergence. The moving average breakout also happens, and lastly, on the closing of the market, the volume has been picked up in this last trading minutes and the half hour. So that's the reason you can choose Reliance Industry as a bullish stock for tomorrow's trading session. You can keep your stop loss at this level here, this swing low, and expecting a price to target area is 2000 level somewhere here about this high. So this is a bullish stock for tomorrow's trading session, Reliance Industry. The next stock is could be a Yes Bank, but this is not for intraday. Reliance is for intraday, but Yes Bank could be your swing trade for next couple of days. Okay, because it has broken out this important resistance. The good volume has been picked up here in this rally. This is small retracement pullback, so you can enter here, keep your stop loss at this level, and expecting a price to cross this resistance mark here. But this is a swing trade, so you need to wait for few trading sessions, not an intraday one. So but by the way, this is a good setup, and very good bullish momentum may possible in next couple of days. So Reliance is for intraday trading, but this Yes Bank is for swing trade, for you need to hold for a few days. So that is where you need to be clear with that. Okay, so these are the two stocks you can watch for next trading session, and Yes Bank is for next couple of days. So I hope you like this video, and if you really like this video, you can share, you can hit the like button, and you can subscribe to my channel also. Thank you so much.